I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Good morning. It's March 10th, 2021. Here's my watch list. I'm looking at AACG. We're looking for EXPR type moves. We'll see. ATXI. We start to get above 6. We could push up to 7.5. It was at 7.69. We can see this nice long base. So we can see BORR. We see we're kind of really looking above to get the previous day. MACD is kind of weak, so we're just watching. FBIO, starting to watch it. I don't. My opinion is she's not ready, but it could start to climb, especially if there's any shorts in here. If there's some shorts, it's going to take a lot to get from here to here, so I don't think it's quite ready. IFMK, from yesterday, kind of watching for continuation. MFGP, we're, continue to watch. We can kind of start to reverse this trend. Although this is not my favorite way a stock trends. This means a lot of aftermarket craziness. NNVC, still watching it. She's getting closer. SIFY, there's some positive things in here. So there's some shorts here, there's some shorts here. Let me double check the float real quick. $122 million float. So it's going to be a slow mover throughout here. SRAX, looking forward to start to reverse this trend. Over 4, we can really get some momentum. STKS, one of the better looking charts. We can get above 5.5. We watch it go up. What's the float on this? Okay, it's a small float, so 20 million. So we could really push up and get some FOMO. We'll see. TOUR. I like the chart, especially if it's heavy shorted. Let's check the short interest. I'm not sure if Invis is going to be updated. There's only 23 million shares in the float, and the short is 5.74% interest. Okay. There's definitely shorts in here, so they can help us go back through this. We'll see. And XTNT, we're still watching. I don't know how far this can go. Obviously, it's down pre-market, but we'll continue to watch. That's it. Have fun.